My name is Tridiv Ojha. This is with respect to my participation in the Grow More Coach Model Program, step towards my ACC certification. I would like to share my feedback and the experiences which I have had. When I got to learn about this program, being from a sales background and a professional with about 26 years of experience, I was trying to look at some partners in terms of who can help me in this program. And I evaluated a lot, and then I landed up with Grow More. I did a lot of research, and thanks to an excellent follow-up by the Grow More team, I was able to come on board with them. Initially, being from a sales background, I was expecting that I'll have a lot of HR colleagues and different HR teammates, but it was really surprising to see a batch which came in with very different kind of variety of people from different backgrounds. And the objective that I set out the program with in terms of building on to my people management skills, ensuring good coaching skills in me, embodying a coaching mindset. I think when I went through the program, it has really opened me. It has really been an eye-opener in terms of a program which is for your self-introspection. The tools which were taught, the great experience and inputs you got from the facilitator, Mr. Inderjeet, and my colleagues, an excellent batch. It was a great learning experience, and I really look forward to taking this journey ahead. What I would like to really talk about is a few takeaways from this program and serve as a recommendation for others, is that this is a very well planned, tuned program of 80 hours, and it's very less of theory and lot of practical experience. That's number one. Number two, the techniques and tools which are being used in such a short time and the way they are really adapted to the person is really presented in an excellent manner. The third thing is the pedagogy and the methodology with which the facilitator, Mr. Inderjeet, has taught us has been really excellent. And the tip on the iceberg is the faculty and our mentor himself, Mr. Inderjeet Singh. I think really an expert at his subject, excellent method of teaching with both theory and experiential learning, a good listener, really brings out a lot of scenarios from his different past experiences of coaching and makes everyone very comfortable in the coaching space, gives a lot of opportunity in the program to hear out the questions, the queries, the concern, and really in a pragmatic way directs you to a very formidable position. So as I come out of this program, I am seeing myself to be a more confident people manager, embodied with new coaching mindset, skills, which I'll surely apply in my corporate journey, which I've been for the last 26 years. And I'm sure this would be a stepping stone for me to go for my ACC certification. And I really recommend this program for someone who wants to really become a good people manager, wants to build a coaching mindset, wants to really learn the art of working with people of different spectra, different spheres. And my heartiest thanks to Mr. Inderjeet for being a great facilitator, coach, mentor in the entire exercise and in this process, really building up us in this coaching space ahead. Thank you.